What if a simple oil applied before bed could help your body enter a deeper repair state while you sleep? Not folklore, not hype, biology. Tonight, we're examining an ancient remedy through the lens of modern molecular science. These are 10 potential benefits of applying castor oil before sleep and the biological mechanisms researchers believe may be involved in each one. So why before bed? Because the human body enters its deepest restoration phase during sleep. This is when lymphatic circulation increases, the brain's waste clearance system becomes more active, and the liver shifts into detox and repair mode. Applying castor oil at night may help synchronize topical stimulation with the body's natural cleanup cycle. You are not forcing change, you are timing it. Let's begin. Benefit number 1 is bloating relief. Apply a pack to your abdomen. By morning, many people report a flatter, less distended stomach. Why? Not magic, not rapid fat loss. Researchers believe this may involve prostaglandin signaling, including EP3 receptors. Ricinoleic acid can penetrate the skin and may influence smooth muscle activity in the intestines. The release. This may help reduce tissue stagnation and sluggish movement. You are not just losing water. You may be helping the gut move what has been sitting too long. Benefit number 2 is lymphatic support. This is the most discussed benefit. A small study published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine observed that castor oil packs applied to the abdomen were associated with increased lymphocyte counts compared to placebo packs. Lymphocytes are key immune cells involved in surveillance and defense. Applied over the liver or abdomen before bed, castor oil packs may help support lymphatic circulation. Rather than forcing toxins out, they may assist the body's natural drainage pathways. If you do nothing else, this is the benefit most people seek for general detox support. Benefit number 3 is improved sleep quality. This is rarely discussed. We often think of supplements or scents for sleep, but topical oils may influence relaxation through nervous system signaling. Absorption appears to be the key. When applied to areas like the abdomen or eyelids, castor oil may help promote parasympathetic nervous system activity. This is the rest and digest state governed by the vagus nerve. Ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce stress signaling associated with elevated cortisol. Lower nighttime stress signaling can support healthier melatonin rhythms. Many users report falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. Benefit number 4 is skin hydration and wrinkle support. Forget surface-level creams that evaporate overnight. Many oils sit on top of the skin. Castor oil behaves differently. It functions as a humectant, drawing moisture into the skin. Because it penetrates deeply, it helps support the skin barrier and improve elasticity. Its fatty acid profile fills gaps in the skin matrix and helps neutralize oxidative stress. Over time, skin may appear smoother, fuller, and more hydrated. People often wake up with skin that looks refreshed and plump from within. Benefit number 5 is joint discomfort relief. Stiff knees, aching backs, tight hands. Castor oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory activity. Its effects have been compared to topical capsaicin without the burning sensation. When massaged into joints and wrapped, castor oil may help reduce local inflammation and improve circulation. A 2009 study found castor oil effective in managing symptoms of knee osteoarthritis. This does not simply mask pain. It may help create an environment that supports tissue recovery. Think lubrication, not numbing. Benefit number 6 is digestive support. Constipation and bloating are signs of stagnation. You cannot feel well if waste is backing up. Castor oil is a well-known stimulant laxative when taken orally, but even topical application may influence intestinal motility through reflexive, smooth muscle signaling. It can help encourage movement. It can soften what has become compacted. Applied to the lower abdomen, many people report easier bowel movements by morning. A cleaner digestive tract often correlates with clearer thinking and improved energy. Benefit number 7 is hair and scalp support. This is what made castor oil famous online, but the science is more nuanced. Ricinoleic acid has been shown to influence prostaglandin pathways. Prostaglandin D2 is associated with hair follicle miniaturization in both men and women. While direct inhibition in humans has not been conclusively proven, improved blood flow and reduced inflammation around follicles may help create a healthier scalp environment. Brows, lashes, thinning areas. Rather than forcing regrowth, castor oil may help support dormant follicles by nourishing the root. Benefit number 8 is scar and stretch mark softening. For mothers, for surgical recovery. Scar tissue is dense, disorganized connective tissue. Castor oil penetrates deeply and helps soften fibrotic areas over time. With consistent use, scars may become more pliable and less visible. Stretch marks may fade gradually. It also supports skin microbiome balance, which may help with acne-prone or fungal-prone skin. Instead of clogging pores, castor oil can help dissolve hardened debris. Benefit number 9 is immune support. The thymus gland plays a role in immune cell maturation and declines with age. Applying castor oil over the chest or lymphatic regions may support local circulation and immune signaling. Some users report feeling more resilient during times of stress or seasonal illness. While it does not rebuild the immune system, it may help support it during rest and recovery. Benefit number 10 is dry eye support. Dry eyes are often caused by lipid deficiency, not lack of moisture. When applied carefully to the eyelids, not inside the eyes, castor oil may help stabilize the tear film by supporting the oil layer produced by the meibomian glands. Many people wake without the gritty, burning sensation associated with evaporative dry eye. Now pause before you buy. This is where people make mistakes. The castor oil industry has quality issues. Because castor seeds are difficult to press, some manufacturers use hexane, a petroleum-derived solvent. Hexane is neurotoxic at sufficient exposure levels. Poorly refined oils may retain residues. Applying such oils nightly could counteract the benefits you're seeking. Then there's the plastic problem. Ricinoleic acid penetrates materials easily. Stored in plastic, it can pull BPA and phthalates into the oil. When applied to hormone-sensitive areas, this may expose the body to endocrine-disrupting compounds. The rule is simple: hexane-free, cold-pressed, heat damages delicate bonds, glass bottle only. If it doesn't meet all three, don't use it. Conventional advice often treats symptoms in isolation. Pain gets pills, digestion gets laxatives. The root cause, stagnation, is ignored. Now you know the deeper pattern. You have a tool that costs very little, has been used for thousands of years, and aligns with modern biological understanding. You don't need to add more chemistry. You may need to help your body let go. Tonight, apply the pack. Wear an old shirt, it stains, go to sleep, and let the night shift do what it was designed to do.